Add 1 point if you heard this viral song. Give yourself 1 point for each song you recognize. If you score more than 5, then you're officially king or queen of social media trends. Easy mode. Bonus round. At 1 point if you're one of the rare trend experts who subscribe and like the video. Now let's upgrade to normal mode.
Oppan Gangnam Style.
Now add 1 point if you think you keep up with trends better than the first person that pops up when you click share and then more. Now expert mode. Type in the comment how many